How to create Gmail account without using phone number? To do that, first of all, go on the Google Chrome on your phone. After you go on the Google Chrome on your phone, you will see on the top side there is a circle with your profile in it. When you tap on the profile, you will now see the interface like this. Again, after clicking on your profile, you will now see the option of sign out and add account to the device. After clicking on the option add account to the device. Now, you will again see an interface like this. Here, you can create account and put the email and sign in to any account that you want to. We want to create account for personal use. After doing this, just fill out the information that it is giving time to time. Next, after clicking on the next button, you can again see there is option given to fill out the information. After filling out all the information here, now you can choose any of the Gmail address that is provided by the Google itself, or you can create your own Gmail address. Here, after choosing the Gmail address that the Google has already provided, now you should just enter the password. After doing this, click on the next option. And now you can click on the As profile, which is your Gmail account, and click on the next button. After doing this, just click on I agree and your Gmail account will be made. So this is how you make your Gmail account without using your phone number. I hope you liked our video. If you liked the video, please do subscribe our channel.